Page 12, Ding Dong Merrily on High. This piece is a lot of fun, but the rhythm is a bit tricky, so we have to be very careful about this. Well, let's go through the process. I look it over, it's a little over a page long. It's a little longer than that because of the repeat sign, but as far as the music goes, there's only a little over a page to learn. The clef signs are treble and bass clef. The time signature is 4/4 time. I see half notes, quarter notes, whole notes, and dotted half notes. Okay. No eighth notes though. Okay. The hands are playing at the same time, but it kind of works out. I think I can take both hands together here. So to shorten the video a little bit. So the right hand is starting here, and the left hand when it comes in is here. Now we might move around a little bit, but this is where we're starting, a middle C position. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then as you hold that down, you're going to play that, and again, because the G's tied. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. So now you're holding that down as you're playing that. And that quarter note here in the third measure, that comes on beat 3 because you see the half rest, that takes two counts. So that has to come on beat 3. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Okay. Now on measure 7 and 8, the E is tied. You just hang on to that. The C is not. You're playing both. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, I'll talk about that again a little later because it's important. Then measure 5 or 9, you're up here. 1, 2, 3. Again, that comes on beat 3 because it has a half rest in measure 9, and that's 2 counts. So the half note has to come on beat 3. 1, 2, 3. And the left hand's tied. 1, 2, 3. The third finger is up here. I hold it down, it's tied. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, and fourth finger, just come up a little bit. Here, now, I measure 15. 1, 2, 3, 4. See, that last beat, both of those notes are down. And then it goes here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And it comes on beat 3, and then it's tied. Hang on to it. 1, 2, 3. The last 4 measures at the bottom. The C, E, that's tied. You come down with your thumb on G, add it to it. And then the next to the last measure, all 3 notes together, a C and a C and an E. And now they're all tied. There's a curved line for all 3 notes. They're all tied. Hold them down for 8 counts. Oh, goody. Now, once I have an idea what the hands are doing, then I go back over it slowly and carefully, and I get rid of the hesitations. Once I can do that, I'll think about the articulation. For the most part, they don't say anything big. You can connect it. Staccato. I'm on the key and I'm bouncing off. Hints at the wrist. Okay. That's pretty much it. You just put in the phrasing. Measure 9. I'm connecting all this together. Okay. Pretty much to the end on that one. Then the dynamics. F for forte is loud. Whatever you think loud is. Don't get carried away. Just heavy. These. So bring them down. I want to hear that. That's melody. This is where that's important there on measures 7 and 8, where the right hand is tied, the left hand's not. It gives you a hint as to where the melody is because they give you a word or a part of a word with each note. That's melody. So this right hand is tied out. That's not melody. It's the left hand is the melody. So you bring out the left hand. This is moderately loud or loud. This is sort of soft. So again, starting measure 5, you're loud. This is soft. So this is soft and it's loud. That's where that's important, to know where the melody is and hear the words are telling us. Then in measure 9, you come down a little bit to mezzo forte, you're sort of loud. That's this passage. This other, keep it soft. And when you get to measure 16, it's all melody. And measure 19, that's soft. At the end, the melody's in the right hand, so this is not. Yeah, this can be a little softer. It's the right hand we want to hear. Technically, the melody is the bottom note in the right hand. Unless you can bring out one note in the same hand, don't bother. Just play the right hand louder than the left. Then the speed. It's a happy piece, but it has to be accurate. So you find the hardest part, where it is, probably over here around measure 16 or 17. And so wherever the hardest part is for you, what can you do accurately? Next Christmas, you come back and play it again. You'll be able to play it a little faster and better, and that's okay. There is a repeat sign there on measure 8. At the end of measure 8, that takes you back to the beginning, which is why you got 2 sets of words, because you can sing both of them that way. So it's really 2 lines longer than it looks. And in case you're wondering, starting at measure 9, that glow, the word is actually Gloria, but the ia, ria, whatever it is, doesn't occur until measure 19 and 20. So all this from measure 9 to measure 19, this glow, you're stuck on O for the whole thing. Glow, and all that mess through the whole thing. That's what they're actually doing. I'm not going to, good Lord, but you can if you want. It's the way it works, though. Don't copy me. You can play it at different speeds. Experiment with the dynamics a little bit. Remember the natural accents? 1, 2, 3, 4. Like measure 9. 1, 2, 2, 3. Feel the natural accents. They're important. Now, once you can play it at least slowly with no hesitations, then come back and let's play it together. Slowly. I'm not going to do louds and softs. We're not performing it. I'll do the staccatos and phrasing, though. And we're going to do the repeat. So I'll give us 4 counts. Slowly. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2. 4, 2, 3, 4, tie, 2, 3, 4, off. I like to do the duet for this. And on this one, you can actually play it right where it's written. You don't have to move around because the duet part's up here. Okay. I'm going to speed it up a little bit to about this speed. 1, 2. So make sure you can play that. 1, 2. 1, 2. Make sure you can play it that fast with no hesitations or this won't work. I'll give us 4 counts. Now the duet has a lot of whole notes and stuff in it, and I need to keep a beat. So I'm going to play quarter notes somewhere. I'll make something up so we can keep a beat because I can't hear you. I can't stay with you. So we have to have something to keep us together. 1, 2, ready, go.